हमने यूजुअली मेल एक्टर्स को पोर्ट्रे करते हुए देखा है. So tell us how important and special was this character to you?
On the Balakot airstrike, because he was giving me the details, Lara, it's based on this, and I was like, yeah, but that's not exactly what happened. I mean, I'm a military kid.
When you watch this series, you'll not just see what happened in Balakot, but what happened actually behind the scenes.
So Ashish, great time to be an actor, would you say? OTT, the kind of content we see.
The interesting part, what I find in this new space is that all the past learnings that we may have had about how one should be etching out characters is out of the window, and some detailing is here, and I'm really enjoying that.
There are a lot of people, lot of talent, not just in our industry, world over, जिनकी career सिर्फ उनके social media presence पे चल रही है, talent पे नहीं चल रही है.
Hi, this is Prasanna.
Hi, this is Lara Datta.
Hi, this is Jimmy Shergill.
Hi, this is Ashish Vidyarthi, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
I'm Kareena Michwal, and we have here with us the amazing team of Jio Cinema's upcoming show, Ranneeti. Hello, welcome to Bollywood Hungama.
Hello.
Namaskar.
Ranneeti, the series is based on the Balakot airstrikes. So what would you like to tell the people who haven't seen the trailer yet? What is it that this series has to offer that the other two films that have come recently on the same subject, how is it different from them?
Ranneeti, Balakot and beyond. First of all, whoever has not seen the trailer, I think they should see the trailer. How is it different from the films and series which have come on it? So basically, I think what we had an advantage of telling the story with like say 5 hours of time. So we went into the detail of it. Like I feel like whatever has been done, it's good, but it kind of touched on the surface and like went away. We, because of the time advantage, we jumped right into it, like into the depth of it, and went like to figure out and look at the minutest detail of what happened around this event. So when you watch this series, you'll not just see what happened in Balakot, but what happened actually behind the scenes, like how it was all planned, then how it was plotted, and then actually on the ground how it was executed. So you see a very different angle, like the other which is very exciting part of this series is like hybrid warfare. Like Lara ma'am's character is very different, like to whatever she has played. So she is like a big power broker who rules like the narrative, like at this thing. So she is very good at it. So that is one thing which is the hybrid warfare, like which we are covering through this series, which is an interesting angle and never been seen before so far.
Great. So Jimmy, you play a character that is very intense. काफी layers हैं. I love the detailings that have been done. I don't want to give away much, but इतने कहूँगी I love the detailing.
आपने कुछ देखा?
Yeah, the first episode of
Wow.
Yeah.
आपने नहीं देखा है? आपने नहीं देखा है?
उसने नहीं देखा, हमने देख लिया.
So tell us, what was your initial conviction of the role and how did you approach it?
So when I got the script, I was blown by it. हम लोगों ने जो न्यूज़ में और इधर उधर देखा था उतना ही हमें पता था इस सब चीज़ के बारे में, और हमें लगता था सब पता है. But because this is about the series of events that happened all the way from पुलवामा से लेके जब तक बालाकोट स्ट्राइक्स हुई एंड बियॉन्ड, सो वो बहुत डिटेल में बिहाइंड द सीन्स क्या हुआ था उसके हिसाब से बनाई गई एक सीरीज़ है. और मेरे लिए तो एक आई ओपनर था, एंड आई सॉ नो रीज़न वाई टू से नो टू इट, बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड. और इतने अच्छे अच्छे सीक्वेंसेस हैं कि यू गॉट गूज बम्प्स एंड यू हैड टीयर्स इन योर आइज, एंड इन अ वेरी सटल एंड रियलिस्टिक वे, नॉट दैट चिल्ला के आप कुछ बोल रहे हो, ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हो, बहुत सटल तरीके से. और ऐसी ऐसी जगहों पे आप इमोशनल होते हो जहाँ आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो कि हो सकते हो. सो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट इट. और उसके बाद जैसा आप वो नुआंसेस की बात कर रहे हैं, वो सारी आई थिंक द राइटर डायरेक्टर इनकी कन्विक्शन थी. वो छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को डालना, किस तरीके से क्या हुआ, उसका टेस्ट नहीं आता है, उसको उसकी स्मेल क्यों नहीं आती है वो आपको पता लगता है बाद में. तो बहुत ऐसी छोटी छोटी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें. कम बोलता है, ज़्यादा बोलता नहीं है, और ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं आई थिंक इतनी लेयरिंग जब कैरेक्टर में की गई होती है तो फिर मज़ा आता है. I was very excited about it. I am very excited about the release now on the 25th.
आपने nuances की बात की, so इसमें आपका as an actor कितना input होता है nuances में?
नहीं, इनपुट एंड में तो करना तो आप ही को पड़ता है, बट ये सारे इनपुट्स आते हैं डायरेक्टर से, आते हैं राइटर से. उनकी चीज़ें जो हैं कई बार आप नहीं सहमत होते हो कई चीज़ों से. बस ये एक ऐसी सीरीज़ थी जिसमें कि डायरेक्टर ने जो बोला वो बहुत एक फ्रेश तरीके से आया. एंड यू हैड नो दिस थिंग्स अबाउट इट कि नहीं ये क्यों ऐसा है, ये वो एंड ऑल दैट व्हाटएवर. नथिंग, जस्ट grabbed whatever was coming because the thing was, it was so fresh, that interesting thing of no sense of taste and smell. And when you go back to the backstory and you understand why that happened. So all those kind of things, that was the director's conviction that he wanted these kind of things, and we grabbed it and went ahead with it.
Okay, so Lara, you play such an important character, such a powerful character, and it's the kind of character हमने usually male actors को portray करते हुए देखा है. So tell us how important and special was this character to you?
Yeah, I think when Santosh sir, sort of approached me with this script to begin with, our first phone call, I think I refuted a lot of things, especially on the Balakot airstrike, because he was giving me the details, ki Lara, it's based on this, and I was like, yeah, but that's not exactly what happened. I mean, I'm a military kid, so from the Air Force. We had a little bit more access than most civilians at that time on the Balakot airstrike events that took place. So we knew a few more insider details, and this story for me, as it is from that incident, from the Pulwama incident and the Balakot airstrike incident, were already a little too close to home for me, because both my father and my sister are Air Force pilots. So within the fraternity, we already knew what was going down. When Wing Commander Abhinandan was shot down, that was for at least for the Air Force, one of the biggest incidences that has happened in the near past. I think from 1971 war, we haven't had something like that that's happened. So we were completely, the entire Air Force fraternity was totally, completely joined in just ensuring, making sure that the government was doing whatever possible to make sure Abhinandan came home. And the character that, Santosh sir offered me was somebody, I mean, for me, I've never portrayed somebody like that on screen. And as you rightly said, most of the times, these characters are portrayed by men, in most shows and films and things like that. So I thought it was really interesting that it was a female character. Manisha Sehgal, I even fought with Santosh sir to maintain her name, which they wanted to change.
to Bharadwaj.
So, बोलना मत, उनको खराब लगेगा सर.
नहीं, मुझे पूछा गया था तो मैंने कहा शादी से पहले सहगल थी, शादी के बाद
लेकिन शादी तो की नहीं मनीषा ने. But yeah, so it was just it was fantastic, and I think I loved also the shades of Manisha, because she's somebody who's very good at her job. She knows that she's the only person who can execute what needs to be done, but she treats it as just another job, until in this incident where it really becomes personal for her. It's not just about an individual, or it's not just about a certain event. This is about the country. And that change in heart for her, where, it's the stakes are so much higher than anything that she's ever had to face before. The decision making that has to happen in very high octane, very high intense situations that has to take place. And then I would be amiss to say if I can't say that I'm so thrilled and happy to be sitting here amongst these actors, because this show is really a pan-India show. It's not something that's essentially just coming out of, the Bombay or the Bollywood film sort of industry. It's an incredible show, as you can see with the actors present. So honored to share, space with all of these guys, even our junior, I wouldn't say junior, but I would say our actors who are much younger than us, who've been part of this show. I think everybody has put their heart, their soul, everything into this, and I personally haven't done anything that's made me feel more patriotic than what Raniti has.
Prasanna, your glimpse as group captain Abhinandan, I think it was such a pleasant surprise in the trailer. So tell us, how much did you enjoy doing this?
I mean, as an actor, who wouldn't be excited to get a role like that? As someone who is very patriotic, like Araman said, when this Balakot airstrike and the aftermath, all these things happened when Abhinandan fell into Pakistan over there, it was a national sensation, not just in the sense of news, but everyone wanted him to come back home. The whole scenario was very personal to everyone. And when project like this came to me, I was really thrilled, and when I got to know about the names of the other actors who were part of this, Ashish, I mean, I've been his fan, watching his all South Indian film, Tamil, Telugu and all. He's a rock star.
Yeah.
Of course, Jimmy Sayers' work, I've seen many of his films. Lara ma'am, one of the best, what can I say? I'm a fan of hers for a very long years. And this was really exciting for me. And to play the role that I admired so much for his valor, you know, it was really like a reality that I never dreamed, you know. And working on the sets as Abhinandan, there are a lot of cherishable moments that I will always, you know, have in my mind. And thanks to my director who stood with me for many fights that I had to put up for this, especially the
handlebars.
handlebar mustache. It was a huge debate if I should have it
Yeah.
or come with a normal mush.
Yeah.
And I said, no, this role can't be portrayed without that mush.
Yeah.
And today, when the trailers launched, with the minimum shots, the glimpse that you've seen in the trailer, people are instantly able to connect with that character, and I think that's the biggest blessing for me, to be part of the show and do that role.
So Ashish, great time to be an actor, would you say? OTT, the kind of content we see.
Absolutely. And so it's so this period is exciting because even as we are predated by many other things and post-dated by others, just the pleasure of bringing whatever that we've learned and acquired over the years, which stays with us as an expertise. The interesting part, what I find in this new space is that all the past learnings that we may have had about how one should be etching out characters is out of the window, and some detailing is here, and I'm really enjoying that. Mind you, I remember in the 90s, 92, that's when I landed in Mumbai to do my. I had grown up on a staple of films which were not made in India, and once I came here, I was doing films which was completely different. But you know, now the thinking actor, the thinking scripts have come back, and something about Ranneeti is that what Santosh mentioned. It's about the detailing which has gone into, which shows in form of things that you will see in Jimmy and Lara's character, but in a lot of things that even simple scenes when they were orchestrated, they are real at that moment, but before that is the script being translated by actors into that scene. It was dramatic. I tell you, I had goosebumps even in the control room.
I know.
You know, when we are seeing that the dog fight happening, and in that there's the detailing, because there are many other actors. It is not just 2 or 3 people who are looking at. There are things which are happening on consoles, etc. So for me as an actor who's been here for a while, I see myself reborn thanks to the amazing new scripts that are being offered. Yes.
So the series is based on true event. So tell us, what was your research like, and what were some of the findings that took you by surprise?
So my thing is like, you know, when you say it's based on true events and you know, inspired by real life events, so I think एक आपकी एज अ मेकर, एज अ डायरेक्टर, आपकी जिम्मेदारी बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाती है. लाइक यू नो, आपको एक क्रेडिबल और ऑथेंटिक चीज़ बनानी पड़ती है. लाइक यू नो, आपके पास गलतियों का स्कोप नहीं रहता है यहाँ पे. So that was one big thing, like, you know, we all kept in mind throughout, like, you know, whether the actors, whether the writers, whether the producers, whether the platform, हम सब में एक चीज़ बहुत clear थी कि, you know, we'll stay true to what has happened, like whatever information we get from wherever we get. Like I remember talking to Lara man when I said few things she refuted, we went back, you know, we checked, we also spoke to her, like, you know, कि क्या हुआ था. So you get every source of information from wherever you get, you put it together, and then you know आप उसको best possible way में कि उसको dramatic भी कैसे करें कि जाके audience देख सके, and you know still be true to it, like कि किस तरह से हुआ था, without going like you know jingoistic about it, like you know चीखना चिल्लाना हमने बिल्कुल उसको avoid किया, and just stayed like you know कि एक अच्छा narrative दे सकें जिससे लोगों को you know पता चल सके कि हुआ क्या था, और साथ ही साथ वो enjoy भी कर सकें. So lot of research went into it, like you know, from the meeting defense consultants, the defense experts, some army men we met, like you know, the Sanjay Chopra who has given the story, his family is also from the Air Force, so we got a lot of information from him, and then we put it all together and like started the writing process.
Coming back to your earlier question, the difference between a couple of other shows that is already come based on this event is this will be something very close to really what happened. We all think we all know what happened, but there's a bigger picture that we all don't know what exactly happened behind the screens, behind the news walls. So this will be very honest attempt to portray all that. Of course, we have taken some creative liberty to add some
Absolutely.
drama into it. Yeah, that's the difference.
Great. So the series talks about modern warfare कि कैसे war सिर्फ physical borders पे नहीं, media और social media पे भी लड़े जाते हैं. थोड़ा similarly, actors these days, acting is not enough. Would you agree कि सिर्फ being an actor is not enough? There's so much else to do, like promotions and interviews and PR, social media. So where do you find yourself in all this?
Well, I constantly receive complaints from people that follow me on social media that I'm just not there enough.
Yeah.
But I think with everything going on in my life, I'm there as much as I can be and want to be there. I don't think I can put myself out there any more than I already am. But there are a lot of people, lot of talent, not just in our industry, world over, जिनकी career सिर्फ उनके social media presence पे चल रही है, talent पे नहीं चल रही है. So of course it plays a very big part today. And yeah, what the tagline in Niti to a large extent is very true. If it's on social media and if it's in the news, then it's true
True.
for most
Jimmy,
parts.
what do you think about it?
नहीं, अभी तक तो काम पे ही चल रहा है सब कुछ. वो भी कोशिश करेंगे थोड़ा करने के लिए.
Hi, this is Prasanna.
Hi, this is Lara Datta.
Hi, this is Jimmy Shergill.
Hi, this is Ashish Vidyarthi, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.